Hello everyone, this is Sajil Hadar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Blajil. So guys, if you are new to my channel Blajil, then please go on, subscribe it, and please press the bell icon for any new updated videos. So as I was scrolling through my Facebook, I found out that Facebook has launched another app called Facebook Gaming, where you can watch, play, and connect with the video creators, gaming video creators. So I have just installed it on my phone. So let's jump into it. Let's sign up, or you can say sign in with our Facebook account. I think here, sign in with our Facebook account. Then we will be seeing some such interface where there is an option to go live, watch I think some clips, and search for our following people. And for here we can follow some games. Here are some groups we have joined. So here, okay, here it is. Welcome Sajil, play, watch, and share your favorite games with your friends. So what we what will we what we read here, your reactions and comments will appear on Facebook. We'll never post to your timeline without your permission. Customize your feed based on games and streamers you choose. Okay, I'm following. Okay. I'm following some of these streamers, some cat in my lap, and I don't know, Sifi, I don't know. Okay, I'll be seeing some of their gameplays and streams and some other, here. Okay, here you go. We have some explore or news feed, you can say, portion where you can see some of the gameplays. Okay, here it's like the portion in Facebook. Let me show you. Yeah, this portion here, they have given it an separate app, for the gamers. Okay, instead of this portion, we also have this portion, but also we have another separate app which is, a good thing for gaming creators. So here we can scroll through news feed of our games. Okay, here we can play some instant games. Okay, this is interesting. So here are some games: ONG, you know your friends, etc. And here are some categories of your instant play games. Okay, what is this? Okay, here I think here are some other streams and streamers, and the people you are following, and some suggested streamers, etc. So here is the option to go live as well. So what is here? Okay, here in the last portion you can see some messages and friends and etc. So I think it's a good step by Facebook that they have launched Facebook Gaming, uh, a specified app for game lovers. So I think it will be a successful one for everyone related to games, who want to stream or who want to watch some streams, etc. So I think, guys, I hope that you liked my video and our short tutorial about Facebook Gaming app, which is a newly app given by Facebook. So I hope you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe during this quarantine period. Goodbye.